Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Social media is not media, but the way to listen, engage and build relationship. With this thought in our mind, we will be discussing about the top trends of social media in 2020 and beyond.
So first things first, what are important social media platforms? Social media is important because it allows you to reach, nurture and engage with your targeted audience. Facebook is no doubt on the top of all the current social media platforms, but most of the young people prefer to communicate on the social media platform that isn't aware or familiar by their parents. As mentioned, social media platforms which are not of much known are still performing really well. According to some recent statistics, the most popular social network as of October 2020 is Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and many more. So let's start with the first trend, which is ephemeral content, which gains popularity. We all know about Snapchat stories, which disappear after 24 hours, and so does Instagram. So, 24 hours, the story that you have added to the respective Instagram or Snapchat will disappear. That is all about ephemeral content. Ephemeral content is something which is available for few minutes, hours, and will disappear after certain span of time. So what's the main motive behind this type of content? Everyone's attention span is of very short time, and everyone demands to get all the information related to the topic within few minutes, just because of their busy lifestyle. Content formats like short stories become so popular and start engaging in such a way that people can relate and spend a good amount of time by watching it. Always make sure that whatever your content you are showing should transfer knowledge and not some sort of sales pitch. Marketers have actually noticed that this trend has given high priority in the existing scenario. And the second trend we have is niche social platform that will perform well. Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram and TikTok are the largest and the most popular social network platforms and have been on the priority list for everyone. But in recent years, several other social media sites like Reddit, Twitter, LinkedIn have emerged and has significantly risen into fame. With a graph over here, we have a picture on the top ranked in social media. For example, is one of such platform which is TikTok in 2016 became an instant hit among the youth. LinkedIn, which is business platform, has emerged effectively because of the social media initiative. People approach each other for business or to create job opportunities. Several other alternative social media platforms are also gaining an extreme amount of popularity and will do so in 2020 and beyond. Moving forward in the series is e-commerce platform. Doing an online business is not an unknown thing now. We are familiar with all aspects of online businesses. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook have been used by brands to sell their product online, and this approach helps them to grow their business. Social commerce has become a new climbing ladder for different brands to reach out their target audience, and this trend is going to be even stronger day by day because of their prominent use in this field. Social commerce is well on becoming a mainstream retail channel like other websites and offline stores. This trend will straighten further and more social networks introducing pro-selling feature like shoppable post. For shoppable post to Instagram storefront, social networks are continuously evolving to become a retail platform. Brands and marketers will leverage these and incorporate social platforms as their strategies. So without further ado, let's move on to the third trend, video content which will dominate. Video content is the most engaging type of content. Sooner or later, it will dominate the social media on all different platforms. Whether it is short structured recorded video like those well known on TikTok or stories, or long structured content on YouTube videos. As indicated by the Cisco study of 2022, 82% of the online information will be video content. This clearly shows that the essential to begin video substance to remain relevant on social media platform. In case you are not making any content for YouTube, it is time for you to start working on it. Sooner or later, video will rule on all social media platforms, and any brand or organization that doesn't realize this is going to have a tough time sooner or later. So in the end is our last trend, which is about influencer marketing, which will continue to soar. So guys, as you all know that influencer marketing is not an unknown concept. It is one that will remain for some time. Today, social media is overwhelmed by influencers who are getting paid with some handsome amount to promote their brand on social media pages. This trend can be considerably beneficial for both perspectives: the rise in the number of influencers on all social media pages. Second, one can be seen in an increase in the market spending on influencer marketing by different businesses. Putting resources into influencers is like expensive than running paid campaigns. Also, influencer can help marketers reach a variety of marketing goals in different areas and generate leads. There are two main reasons why it is becoming so popular in the marketing field. Marketers are teaming up with one or two influencers presently. However, we are working with an entire organization of relevant influencers. These sort of influencers get a lot higher commitment and cost considerably less. Going ahead with more in marketers, we will utilize this technique and work upon the various modest influencers rather than the celebrities.
So our conclusion at the end of this video is that there are some of the trends which will dominate social media landscape in 2020 and beyond. Social media is a dynamic and competitive space, and these trends will definitely help you to grow more and more.